Rwanda, turn the page. Just like a book, Rwanda has turned the page. We could choose to remain on the cover, which is our history, but we choose to turn the page.
Lune de miel qui se termine jamais. Pays comblé de bonheur, nécessité par l'amour éternel.
Rwanda rutemba amata n'ubuki. Erega yavuze ko Imana y'u Rwanda ikarara u Rwanda ntiyabeshye.
Let's see. Back then, they would ask,
"Oh, you're from Rwanda?
Oh, Rwanda, the genocide.
Are you a killer?
Or a survivor?
Are you a Hutu?"
Or a Tutsi?
Endlessly trying to explain, we are neither of those. We hold our guns, fill our voices with strength, and reply, "We are Rwandans.
We are our flag.
We are undivided
And uncorrupted.
We are the remaining love that erupted from hate. We are the promise that was whispered by Father when he liberated us. We are the revelation and the lesson.
We are both the past and the future.
We are the hope and the reminder.
We are the forgiver and the forgiven.
Erega, nawe gishoboye ko inzara iryana.
Kandi burya ngo ijoro riba riba riraye.
We know where we have been.
And we know where we are.
To turn the page and never to erase.
To wear our history like a powerful shield.
And we say, we have been to hell and back. God forbid we ever return. And to all those that are still harboring hate, we say, cleanse your heart and turn the page. Therefore,
we choose to become one people.
We choose to become the land of peace, love, and harmony.
Above all, we choose to turn the page.